I feel it.
So I'm gonna try.
I'm gonna take the drill apart from the box and then I'm gonna ask him to put it back together. So this is what it's supposed to be, right? Right in the slot. Here's your challenge. What I want you to do is to put the drill back into the box and get it and close it.
Okay.
Yeah? So put it in the box and close it.
Is that gonna
And
be
make
hot?
sure you put it in the right place. Yeah, in the place where it's supposed to be. And then you close it.
Okay. I have to put this inside the lock.
Yeah, the drill and the charger. Put it back in the box
This probably goes.
and close it. Make sure it's in the right place.
Yeah, I can tell because there is two on the same place. Oh yeah. I should probably close it.
Oh God. Don't break my drill box, you know. Don't break it. This is a good challenge for you, you know what I mean?
Am I allowed to take any of these stuff out?
No, it's supposed to fit in the box. With all those stuff in there.
Dad gave me a challenge that I cannot complete.
Why are you trying to interrupt his challenge?
Imagine if Shania knows this. I feel like it goes like that, but it also could. The drill is a little close to go in this box. I think it goes like this. Like this. Like that.
Let's see. Open it. Well, you did it in the hand. 10 years later. 10 years later, you did it.
I'm not 20.
Well, that's it. It's just a good challenge. You know, now you know how to do it. After
guess.
how much try?
When I was putting the drill in the box, I felt confused because I didn't know where it was supposed to go.
You know? No, I think that.